Welcome to Fixity Fix Quick Fix. This is the cassette deck out of my 1989 Ford Ranger. A common problem with these units is the display will stop lighting up and you can't see what the clock says or what radio station you're on, etc. This is pretty easy to fix. Fixity Fix! The top of this one comes off pretty easily. You just cut the tape that holds it together. You don't really have to remove anything other than just prying up on the back part. I'm trying to do this with one hand. Here and here with a screwdriver. The culprit in this case was the light bulb that's here inside of this reflector. Removed it pretty simply just by turning it counterclockwise and pulling out. This is what the old one looked like, and there's your problem. I replaced it with this Sylvania number 37. It's a 1.3 watt bulb in this case. You can get them with higher wattage if you really want blindingly bright dashboard lights. The bulb just pulls straight out, and then a new bulb pushes straight in. Reinstallation is the reverse of removal. Just line up the tabs and turn until it clicks. Replace the top, it just clicks on, and then reinstall your stereo. Hey, look at that, it works.